Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JMIA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, very significant from a technical point of view, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos I've done. But even if you haven't, a quick recap, I've talked about that red line several times in past videos as being a very important level of resistance. And finally, after spending a couple days consolidating down below that level, the price has now been able to work its way up through this 1865 mark. So a breakout is officially underway. The big question now going into next week is, like I said, okay, yeah, breakout underway, but is there true power behind this price movement? Is this the start of a bigger breakout, or is this just going to be one of these, faulty breakouts? And I mean, if you've traded long enough, we've all had, we bought a breakout and then the price just goes right back down, and which is still a possibility given the price is still relatively close to that area. Now, let me be very clear. I'm not saying that the price is going to roll back over. I'm not saying this is a fake breakout. I'm just saying that where the price is currently sitting right now, it's a more than valid concern to have that, yeah, it's broken out, sure, but I don't know, is there any sort of true power behind it? So more of the story here, the very important level to watch going forward is 1865, because as long as the price stays above that level, so even if it comes down here, bounces around, well, at least at that point in time, what's that's still giving you? Well, that's still giving you a set of lows there, and then you'd have lows there, and you'd have those lows, and then those lows, and you picture those as stair steps. And there you go. You still have progress being made in the upwards direction. But if the price falls back below that area, now that doesn't mean that the entire chart's destroyed. That just means that as far as the breakout is concerned, well, it was a fake breakout, because now all of a sudden the price would be right back to where it was. So 1865, very, very important level to watch going forward. And that is now the level that you would definitely want to see act as support, which is just a foundational rule in charting. When resistances are broken, you want to see them act as support. In the event the price does continue on up, next key level of resistance to watch closely going to be right up there around $21. But in my opinion, at least, the more pressing dynamic is whether or not the price can stay above 1865. So let's see how next week plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.